2025 luxury van is a testament to the evolution of automotive elegance and functionality. Designed to cater to the needs of discerning customers, this van combines cutting-edge technology, superior comfort, and sophisticated aesthetics. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 luxury van showcases a sleek and modern silhouette, emphasizing both form and function. Its aerodynamic design reduces drag while enhancing fuel efficiency. High-end features include LED matrix headlights, a bold grille, and chrome accents that add a touch of elegance. The large panoramic windows and alloy wheels further underscore its premium appeal. Interior. Step inside the 2025 luxury van, and you are greeted by a sanctuary of comfort and luxury. The cabin is spacious with high-quality materials such as fine leather, polished wood, and brushed metal accents. Advanced infotainment systems, including large touchscreens and a premium sound system, ensure an enjoyable ride. Adjustable seating, ambient lighting, and climate control allow for a personalized travel experience. Performance under the hood. The 2025 luxury van boasts a powerful yet efficient engine. With options for both hybrid and fully electric powertrains, it delivers impressive performance while being environmentally conscious. The van offers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and a comfortable ride thanks to its advanced suspension system and state-of-the-art drivetrain. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the 2025 luxury van, which comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The van also features a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and multiple airbags to ensure the safety of all passengers. Market positioned at the top of the luxury van segment, the 2025 model aims to attract affluent families, business executives, and VIP transport services. Its blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology sets it apart from competitors. The van's emphasis on sustainability with its hybrid and electric options also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. The 2025 luxury van redefines what a premium vehicle can be, offering unparalleled comfort, cutting-edge technology, and a stylish design. It is a perfect blend of luxury and practicality, making it an ideal choice for those who seek the best in automotive excellence.